our life changes. Everything is in constant change. But what doesn't change is our nature, our true nature. So this timeless dimension is the basis on which we experience. It is, we could say, the background of every experience. It's the timeless beauty that is present in every moment and circumstance. When we orient ourselves only on our experiences, on the changing life, every day, other feelings, other thoughts, other experiences, other people always change, we get lost. We lose ourselves because we are focused on these changing experiences. We focus on the more on the wave than on the depth of the ocean in a certain way. Yeah. So we learn to focus on our true nature instead of on our experiences. We settle, we calm down, we access deep inner peace and tranquility instead of getting more stressed, more imbalanced, and more lost in the outer world. So we need the depth and timeless presence of our true nature. We need it more than we would ever think, because it is the only dimension that is not influenced by the changing dynamics of life, that never changes, a dimension that is unchanging. So instead of always reacting and jumping on inner and outer experiences, on our moods, on our thoughts, and on everything we see, witness, and so on, we should gently focus on our true nature. Because then our life gets silent, still. Something in us awakens to this inner stillness. And we live and radiate this profound inner stillness. Our center is no longer out there. It is where it belongs. We are then rooted in our nature. We come home, finally, to what we have always searched, what we have always been looking for. And this timeless, luminous nature then gives us profound meaning, profound inner sense of belonging, a profound fulfillment that lies beyond everything, every experience, every fulfillment or short-term happiness we could find in our experiences. So, and one thing, this doesn't mean to flee from our life. It doesn't mean to avoid our experiences. And instead of going somewhere into, no. Instead, when we are grounded in our nature, we can live our life to the fullest. We have the space. Now we have the space and capacity to sense, truly sense, to see, witness beautiful things. We have the depth to truly meet others in their depth and nature. We have the capacity and the natural ability to experience life and live life to the fullest, then embodied, balanced, and centered, rooted in this nature. So it fulfills our life, our experiences. It doesn't separate us from life and our experience. It doesn't bring us somewhere else out there or in avoidance. It allows us to be here, present, fully present in every experience, loving, compassionate, understanding. Thank you for joining this insights into awakening. If you enjoyed the experience, like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.